Well, today we're going to be making cookies. So we're going to need this flour.
And don't forget we need this in the middle.
No, that's a bowl. And
we need 100 grams of flour
and 60 grams of this sugar. And then we're going to need some of the eggs, right?
So let's pour this in.
Amanda, don't you remember we have to do in order? So we have to put one by one. So let's first start with the egg.
This.
And crack that. What do you want to do, Amanda?
We get to mix it.
Oh, okay. I'll have to mix it. Oh, you seem like you want to put the sugar in it. Okay, now let's mix it. And we're going to mix. Now we have to mix the flour. Hey, maybe I should help with that, Amanda. So we put the dough in this zip bag. It feels really smushy. Now we have to get the scissors and cut one end. Alright, now we're just gonna make a little dot. Oops. And it doesn't have to be that big. And at the end, you will get very messy. So at the end, you can wash your hands. We squirted out all of the little cookies. Now we put them in the oven. We can watch them grow up. And we set it to 350 degrees. So Amanda wants to watch them go up. Amanda, come on, we gotta eat.
Yes.
These cookies look delicious. I hope it looks good and it tastes good.
These are so good.